All right, everybody, welcome. How you guys all doing out there tonight? I am going to make this extremely quick as I can possibly do it. I don't know how quick that is. Probably one of the reasons why my wife loves me or married me because my quick takes a lot longer than a normal guy's quick. So, getting right into it, if you guys could do me a favor, go over, would love and appreciate all the shares I can get. Get over there, shoot me out a share. Oh, computer's running real slow tonight. I'm going to have to start this bad boy up. Hit the share button, throw me out some love. Would always appreciate that. Yeah, so listen, we called the double top. We saw the double top very bearish. We got into our short trade up there. I got into my short trade and followed that baby down. Now this does definitely look like a bearish flag that this is posting up here, but we are also on a lot of support here. We came down, did hit the 382. There's nothing here that says you cannot bounce a little bit higher here, right? Come down, hit the 382, maybe a little bounce back up and retrace back down. There's nothing it says. Now you can also come on straight down here to the 50, which I do think is the better option at this point. I think the better option is to come straight down to the 50, right? Come straight down just like that and then make the decision right here. I think this is where the decision will be made. It'll be made right in this territory right here, 3650. Then I would like to see a bigger bounce. Then if it retraces, we will be getting actually some sort of a head and shoulders pattern there, and or we will be getting an end continuation wave with another wave up here. Okay, we did get our cross, but our cross held at 382. We got this bearish cross right here on the 12-hour. Bearish cross did come down. Let's see what we got. Have not crossed bearish on the daily yet. So we did cross bearish here. A long way to go down to the mean. Let's see if we can carry this all the way down to the mean. The mean is a long way to go, and I'm not sure if that's gonna get us all the way down to this 50 or not. We'll see that. We'll see what happens here. But I would like to see this continue out this play to the bottom. We did that 382 is holding. It's holding very nicely. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's a great. Now I also have us. Oh, I need to adjust this. I also see now I can also go down here and I can pull a much tighter wedge line or trend line. If you go down into a tighter time frame, I actually did that for the members. Let me drag that over here. And here it is. This is the one I did for the members over here. And there it is. So this is the one I did for the members, and this is the kind of the trend I see us in. Okay, up, ran through these wicks, closed out right there, straight up the line of all these opens and closes and wicks, right? Ran all the way up and through, just holding it. Got a little bitty peaky pie through there. Landed on the 382, perfect. You see a lot of confluence back here on the 382. You got that 8. You got all these body closes. You got a wick. So you do have all this, this support right here, and you are going into this flag, right? So this is, I mean, we see what's happening. There's nothing different. We also see that the volume has taken a big turn on us. Volume is headed south. This is on a 2-hour chart. The volume has completely fallen off. That goes for buyers and sellers both. All right, we're going to hop up to some of the higher time frames here. There's your higher time frames. We did hit a 9. This 9 was a great opportunity also for a short trade. We did take the opportunity for that short trade. We traded it on down. It was very nice. It was, it's good. But now, once again, we're stuck. We're stuck down here on this wedge, this rising wedge here. We're trapped on the bottom of that rising wedge. Let's go look at our 6-hour. 6-hour, very similar, same thing. Let's take a look at the volume. Volume all taking a huge, massive dump on us. I wanted to take a look at the 12-hour volume. 12-hour volume, 4 hours left to go. No volume to be seen. Nothing, nada, nobody. I'm going to run out this to the 4-hour. Volume tanking. You've got 9 minutes left. Oh my God, goodiest, lordiest, Maximus. Look at this thing. You're putting in an atrocious 4-hour candle with 9 minutes left in this, right? This is more of a hanging man style candle, pin bar style candle. I don't like this. If this is the volume candle and that is the candle, I would be looking for more downside, right? We're going to be looking for definitely more downside here. That is, if this is based on our volume profile. Our volume just not doing good at all right now. Lost the momentum from the bullsies, right? So that's what I'm seeing there. I really don't see. Let's see. I'm gonna kind of zip through a couple other charts really quick. This is our historical. This is our NVT chart. We did get the rejection off. Now, last time we got the rejection off, just like we talked about it. You came down here October to October. This is the 236 top, 236 top. Now, this is really shaky going down here. There's the 236 top. Look at this thing. This thing gets really shaky. It does a nice little fake out on you. It's like, woo, only kidding. Got you, bears. You guys thought it was going to crash, and I liquidated a bunch of you guys. And then it does continue on its way down. If that's the pattern we're following, I still think we would look for a lower touch down below. Right now, this NVT bounce, there it is. There's the bottom. NVT bounce for the bottom. There's the top. There's the top. That all looks good. Good continuation of that. Rejection. Chalk and money flow. People kind of confused. Don't know. Doesn't look like more money's coming into the market. There's your three. This is one of our larger scale larger time frame scales. And I still think come on down here to three. Get on down here. Let's test down here. This 3650. Even the 3550 area, and then bounce off here. If we bounce off, we will be looking for our top target area, and or we will be looking for a retrace down to the deeper regions, right? Deeper regions. We do have our ADX chart rolling over on us, so our ADX chart is rolling back on us. It's trying to make a run back to us. We'll see what happens there. This did get rejected in this blue area. This blue area is the rejection area as you're going up. And what do we got? RSI back down below this long-term trend. Doesn't look very strong. There's 4 hours left in this volume candle. In this 12-hour candle, this candle has moved nowhere. It's done nothing. It's just got a little baby leg right there, just looking atrocious. This does not look very healthy. But you did put it. Now, listen, this right here looks scary as F to me, because the way this looks when I look at this is if you do get one more pop up right here, let's say you get a little bit of a pop up, maybe, a little kick down, little pop up, so we hit the 5-0 over the next whatever, and then we get let's say we hit the 5-0 after this 12-hour candle, then you would be getting some kind of a, possible little down, then up, tap the line, then down, right? You would put in some kind of a head and shoulders right here. So I'd be looking for an H and S. Head and shoulders on the RSI is what I would be looking for right there. I'd be looking for a head and shoulders on the RSI over the next, this can happen over the next day even, right? It's going to take a whole day to play itself out. So let's go down here. So there's that. Let's zip along. Man, what a nice bounce on Baby Bull Jesus. This is definitely not the bottom. We know it's not the bottom because we can see the ADX chart. The ADX chart clearly says this is not the bottom. This looks more like back here in October, where we got this nice big October retrace. There's the October retrace right there. This is really what we're watching, right? So you got this run up right here. This little run up was your October. Then you retraced down. It was super ugly. Then you went up, and then you capitulated to help. Now, this is a very nice run off of this region, but I think this is following the October pattern. What a run. Just what a great run by the WMA TSI. This is our true strength indicator. This thing is just absolutely run all the way up. It's got a butte, hit the 786 from this retrace top to bottom. Now that is very nice. That's a nice little region to hit right there. Very significant to hit the 786 right there. I would like to see this baby roll over right here and play dead. Maybe roll over, come down, and then swoop up one more time to hit your 42, 4300 range, and then die out, right? We're going to have to see how this plays out. Very significant. I'll show you something else. I want to go into the three-day chart with you. Longs to shorts. Look at shorts are dying. Look at the shorts. The shorts are taking a big poo-poo. Price action just moving sideways. Longs are aside. Nobody is in any danger of any squeezes. I swear to God. Oh my God, I got a short squeeze. There's no damn short squeezes. There's no long squeezes. There's no squeezes at all. The only squeezes you got is you guys want to go down to a strip club. You got your wife. You got your side piece. You guys got all those nice fun things, okay? A lot of people to squeeze out there. Go squeeze one of them, right? No squeezes, right? Just lots of dumping. That's all I see. Nobody's loading. This is just a lot of dumping going on right here. Nothing on the shorts to longs. Still very bullish candle. Still got days to finish this thing out. I would be very careful if this candle comes down and we put a nice big body on this candle over the next couple hours. Come on down to 36, 30, even 3600-ish. This would put in a very bearish candle, not a bullish candle, okay? This is bullish the way this baby's sitting right here. It's really pretty. If we close this thing out like this, this will be a very interesting candle to close out like this. I would be very bullish. If we put in a hammer candle and go up from 42, 4300 and close out at the end of the week at 42, 4300, that would be extremely bullish for me. And I'd really have to sit down and be like, 4,600, yeah, you know. So we're going to write this in here. Let's just write this in here. Let's go back in here. Whoa. Okay, so we're going to say, one, this candle, like it sits, is bullish. Right? Oh, come on. Seriously, piece of effing crap. This candle, like it sits, is very bullish. Right? Two, we're going to say, oh, come on. Where's my one? Give me my one. One, right? All right, one. If we run to 4,300 to 4,400, this would make a bullish hammer on the weekly, right? All right, let's make a bullish hammer on the weekly. I would have to look at the options of going higher. All right, three. If we retrace over the next few days to 3,500, 3,600-ish, 3,500, then this would post a bearish candle. Okay, there we go. There we go. I likey. I likey. All right. There's our options. We're going to change this. We're going to make it white. I'm going to take a nice little snapshot. There we go. All right. Boom. Oh, sorry. Monthly. 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 Damn it. Damn it. This is the monthly. Damn it. We're close. How close are we to the monthly, guys? Where are we at? Son of a bitch. 21st. 21st. I like 60 billion. Monthly. Monthly. All right, that's better. There we go. Fixed it. Edited. Monthly. All right, got it. All right, perfect. Still works. It's okay. All right, let's go to the weekly version of this. Weekly version's irrelevant. Now, here's, RSI bounce. Nice bounce off the RSI. Very nice, right? This is a great bounce off the RSI. Now, I do prefer, and I'm going to show you something. When you go back here, like when you go way back, right? Here's Baby Bull Jesus here. This is where we found Baby Bull Jesus, actually right here, January 15th. Put in a very similar structure, came down, bounced out of this, very nice. You also did it pre-bouncing out in October. This is basically early October, right? There's your October 14th bounce, right? Here's your bounce out in October 14th. and then this thing just rolled over and died like a puppy. Now, I like to do this. This is something I like to do, so I'm going to show you this, right? All right, so I like to test the lower oversold twice before a real bounce, right? So this happens a lot in a lot of different time frames, okay? So I'll show you, this is the monthly, or weekly. So I'm going to show you this. Trying to make this quick. Uno, doce, right? Uno, okay? This means shit ain't over. Okay, you can go back, look at this, check out your time frames. You'll see that this is what happens over and over and over and over again, right? You get these double tests before you truly get a bounce out, right? All right, let's see if see if I recorded there. All right. All right, like this, like that. And like that. All right, looking good. And we're going to take that back. I'm trying to do this as quick as possible. I got shit to do, place to go, people to see. I got the whole family in town, guys. I got a whole house, a herd. I got literally a herd of people. All right, so we went over this the other day. There's our TD9. The last time we did this, right? I'm telling you, the majority of the time, this happens. Right? This is bullish, right? Majority of the time. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 1, right? 5 out of 1 times. Now, the only thing that's different is your Stoke did hit the high time frame. All these other Stokes were way lower, right? All these other Stokes were way lower. None of these Stokes ended up at the same time frame, right? This one was like over here somewhere. Yeah, it's right there. Yep. That's the only bullish one at that level. All the rest of these happened lower. So this is very interesting on the Stoke right here. It has given us more of a 1-to-1. This is a 50-50 it falls out here. Those odds to me are not that good. This is 50-50 on the Stoke. This falls out here, but on your gamble that this falls out here is much higher, much worse if you're going to bet bearish on this. Now, I just don't know yet. We've got to break we've got to break with a lot of bullish signs, and even though our volume just completely dried up. All right, let's take a look at this. Guess got rejected. Bollinger Bands moving south. Bollinger Bands are headed south right now. One other thing I do want to bring into play is, there's a lot of people, and I see a lot of people, a whole bunch of people talking about a head and shoulders option, right? There are a lot of people are bringing up this head and shoulders option. There it is. Yeah, I like it. It's okay. I mean, I'm not tickled about this, right? I don't like it. I don't like that there's just not a true head. I would have liked to see a more spiky head here, right? Like there's your set 1, 2, double top, down, up, down. I just don't. I'm not feeling this. Listen. It's totally possible. It's completely plausible. It can totally happen. Now on this larger time frame, I like this better, right? I like this there. I would like that better. I like this larger scale time frame one better. We're going to go, let's pull this up on a different chart. Okay, let's go. We'll figure out a different chart. Give me a second. Let me go hunt down a chart we can write that crap on. Here we go. All right, so let's do this. See, I don't like this. This is just too rounded for me on that time frame, right? I'd want to go to something. There we go. I'd want to go to something like this, maybe. Right? Something like this. where it'd be like, all right, larger, mamma jam. And I don't like doing head and shoulders from the bottoms either. That's the other thing. We're at a bottom of a trend, you know, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like something like this right here, where you put in something like that. I just don't like this structure. We'll go down. We'll try to make it work. Smaller time frames. I see it. I see it. I just don't like that little piece right there. Right? I don't like that little piece. And then that would retrace you all the way down for a full retracement. This is the thing that bugs me, right? What I would like to do more than this is I would like to do a double top target, right? And when you have a double top, you definitely have a target, right? So let's go for here. Double top targets, right? Double top pattern targets. There you go. Let's throw images. Okay. So look, here you go. So this is I like this a lot better, right? Scoot this over. So to me, I like this double top target better. Now, what would my double target, remember my double top be? It would be right here. It would be the 5-0, right? It would be the 5-0. That's where this would be. I think this looks more like a double top target than I do think this looks like a head and shoulders, right? Come on, don't do that. We're going to copy. And do we even have a double top thing here? Do we have a double top, double top, double top, double top, double top, double top? No, we don't. I'll draw it. I will have to draw it on there. Let's do this. Let's see if do we have a better double top there? There we go. Copy. So to me, this save image. It's my funny memes. Save. Okay, so to me, this looks like a double top. And where do you start this bad boy? Wow. So you start this bad boy all the way back here. That's your double top. Right? Is that your double top? Jesus Lordius Christius. I don't think so. I think you're going to start your top from here. Down. Up. Down. Right? Like that to me looks more double toppy. Right? Now the question is, do you take the whole trend? Right? Do you take the whole trend? Do you take the whole uptrend? Yes, you do. Fucking shit. Copy. Okay. So, hold on a second. Yeah, so there's your neckline right there. There's your neckline for that. So, yeah, you just be looking that. And this would be my double top target. Right? This would be my double top target right here. Right? I don't know why I just did that. That was stupid. Double top target. right? Double top neckline. Nope, Jesus Lord. It's a connect line, right? And we're gonna go like this. Come on. Get that bad boy. Right, there's your neckline. Okay. This is exactly what this shit likes to do. It likes to go like this. Oops. It likes to go bunk. Bunk. And uno momento, por favor. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Top 2. Top 1. And hold on. All right, give me a second. Almost there. Trying to make it happen. Trying to do this video quick. Perfection does not take a short amount of time. Amazingness takes a moment, please. Double top. All right, and that's it. All right, I am the Vamp. We are from Until 1 Mil. We are freaking amazing. We love each and every one of you guys out there. It is the holidays. Please go out there, do something nice for you, do something nice for your family. Give those hugs, give those presents. I want to say I love you. Thank you to all of our moderators. Thank you so much, Darcy, Peak, everybody out there in the house. Really, really want to say thank you to all the members. And everybody have a happy holiday. I will catch you guys later. This is all. I am the Vamp, and we are out.